Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed the signing of goalkeeper Ronaldo Lena on a free transfer following his exit from Sekhukhune United. This is the second signing of Kaizer Chiefs ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. Firstly, they signed Thabo Moloisane as a free agent following his exit from Stellenbosch FC. And now, Amakhosi have pounced on another player as a free agent also, goalkeeper Ronaldo Lena. There are people who complain that Kaizer Chiefs sign free agents. However, we have to admit that they've signed two quality players as free agent, meaning that is good transfer business on the side of Amakhosi. The Bafana Bafana keeper had an outstanding season last season at Sekhukhune United, where he even earned call-ups to the Bafana Bafana squad. And Babina Nuko were supposed to extend his contract. However, the date for extending the contract lapsed and Lena exited the club. That's how Kaizer Chiefs managed to sign a goalkeeper of his caliber on a free transfer, beating the likes of Amazulu and Orlando Pirates to his signature. Lena joins the goalkeeping department of Kaizer Chiefs that features the likes of Brendan Peterson, Bruce Vuma, Bontle Molefe, and Fiacre Ntwari, meaning that department is going to be fiercely competitive. But I think that Ronaldo Lena may automatically be Kaizer Chiefs number 2, just behind Brendan Peterson. And given that he was number 1 at Sekhukhune United, he will fight for that number 1 shirt also at Kaizer Chiefs, meaning that healthy competition will ensure that the goalkeeping department is strong under the new leadership of Fernando da Cruz. Now here is a statement that Kaizer Chiefs released when they announced Lena. It says Kaizer Chiefs have strengthened their goalkeeping department with the signing of renowned shortstopper Ronaldo Lena. Born in Cape Town 28 years ago, Lena arrives at Naturena with a wealth of experience, having impressed last season and earned a number of call-ups to the Bafana Bafana national team. We proudly welcome Ronaldo to the Khosi Nation. Lena was born and raised in Elsies River, Cape Town, and developed through the Ajax Cape Town Youth Academy before breaking into the senior side in 2019. He later moved to Maritzburg United, where he continued to impress, recording 6 clean sheets during the 2022-23 Betway Premiership season. And his performance earned him a transfer to Sekhukhune United in 2023, where he cemented his status as the club's first-choice goalkeeper, with a string of commanding displays, including a memorable clean sheet against Mamelodi Sundowns. While building his professional career, he also completed his studies on the side, completing a Bachelor in Education degree through the University of Western Cape, along with qualifications in sports psychology from UNISA and sports science from University of Pretoria. This really shows that Ronaldo Lena is not just a footballer. Now Amakhosi are continuing to build their squad ahead of next season domestic competition and also the CAF Confederations Cup. They will hope that the new coach Fernando da Cruz hit the ground running. Now let me hear your thoughts. Are you impressed with this signing? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.